In this video, I want to show you the Rule Builder preview. Creating a rule is a complex and challenging task. The same applies to checking whether a rule works as intended. With the Rule Builder preview, we offer you the possibility to check the rules you have created in the Rule Builder, for example, for calculating shipping costs or customer-specific product prices directly after creation in the admin. This feature is available from our Shopware plan Rise. So you can create new rules and check whether they work as planned. To do this, test rules directly in the admin with specific orders. In this way, you can find errors in the structure of a rule more quickly and ensure smooth application in the online shop. So let's test the preview mode with a rule from the Rule Builder. Open up your Rule Builder and click on Create Rule. First, obviously give the rule a name and set the priority. And if you want to, just fill in the description field, choose a type and/or tags. Then we come to the condition. For our example, I'll just take an easy one. So grand total is greater than 10. And then click here to activate the preview mode. So the preview mode checks conditions in real time, so it's especially effective to use it while building your rule. After you have activated the mode, just select an order because the rule's conditions are now checked against data from the selected order. By the statements true or false, you can see whether the conditions are true or not. So I'll choose this order, and then I'll get the message, this rule returns as true. This is because in this order, the customer has ordered a product for, I think, 400 euros. So the rule, returns as true because the grand total is obviously greater than 10. If I now add another condition, either an AND condition or an OR condition or a subcondition, which returns as false, the whole thing would look like this. So, for example, billing city or billing address city is equal to home. This returns as false, which then means that the whole rule would return as false. So as you can see from both examples, this is a very effective and helpful way to find out if your rule is working the way you want it to. Last but not least, we've got the time and date field here. So if your rule contains conditions that query a specific point in time, you can simulate this point in time using the time and date field. But please note that the rule obviously must use time-based conditions in order to select time and date for preview.